Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to clear the cache in the Instagram app on your Android devices. Please subscribe to the channel. Watch the video till the end. Give me likes. Let's get started. This method, in order to clear the cache in the Instagram app, works on absolutely any Android phone. We're gonna need to go to Settings. Now, we're gonna scroll down here. Open the tab called Apps, then Manage Apps. Now in the search box, we're going to write the word Instagram, and we're going to find this app. Open Storage. Here we have Total, App Size, User Date, and Cache. We click Clear Date, Clear Cache. And as you can see, we've cleared the cache. And we deleted it. Now it's gone. This is the simple way to clear and remove the memory, namely the cache in our Instagram app. If you liked and helped this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all very much for watching, who watched this video to the end. Goodbye.